Welcome back to Car Updater. If you're a fan of adventure, luxury, and road trips, today's video is going to blow your mind. We're diving into the all-new 2025 KAMAZ Motorhome, a rugged yet luxurious beast built to conquer any terrain. Stick around because we'll be covering everything you need to know: design, features, performance, and of course, the price tag. The KAMAZ 2025 Motorhome is a game-changer in the world of recreational vehicles. Known for building tough, reliable trucks, KAMAZ has now entered the RV market with this innovative model. Designed for off-road enthusiasts and comfort lovers alike, this motorhome blends durability with state-of-the-art technology. Let's talk about the design. The first thing you'll notice is its bold and commanding presence. The motorhome is built on KAMAZ's rugged truck chassis, ensuring it can handle the toughest terrains. The exterior is made of high-strength materials to withstand extreme weather conditions. It's equipped with all-terrain tires, LED headlights, and a fully integrated solar panel system on the roof to keep you powered up, even in the wilderness. Plus, the motorhome features a massive storage space for gear, bikes, or even a small boat. Perfect for adventurers who want to bring everything along. Now, this is where the KAMAZ Motorhome truly shines. The interior is a perfect blend of functionality and luxury. You get a spacious living area, complete with a comfortable sofa that doubles as a bed, a dining table, and plenty of natural light thanks to the panoramic windows. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped, featuring a 2-burner stove, a sink, a mini fridge, and even a microwave. Everything you need to cook up a feast on the ROA, and there's no shortage of storage space. Every inch of the interior is designed for practicality. Host moves to the bathroom area. Let's not forget the bathroom. It includes a toilet, shower, and sink, all cleverly designed to maximize space. The sleeping area features a cozy double bed with overhead storage and USB charging ports, making it perfect for long road trips. Under the hood, the 2025 KAMAZ Motorhome is powered by a 6.7L turbo diesel engine that delivers 300 horsepower. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth handling on and off-road. With 4-wheel drive and a high ground clearance, this motorhome is built to handle rugged terrains effortlessly. Inside, you'll find a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a touchscreen display, GPS navigation, and connectivity options like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety features include lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera, and adaptive cruise control. So, who is this motorhome for? Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for off-grid adventures or a family wanting a comfortable road trip experience, the 2025 KAMAZ Motorhome ticks all the boxes. Its rugged build ensures durability, while the luxurious interior offers a home-away-from-home experience. ALRI